So hello guys, quick video for today. I'm going to show you how you can switch from QWERTY to AZERTY. So first, let's start with our editor. So to change this, you need to go to edit preferences, and then we search for view port navigation. So here we need to change the forward to Z. We click on override, and then for the left we click on Q. If you want also to change the zoom in and zoom out, you are free, you can do it also. Now after we finalized the editor shortcuts, let's do it for our blueprint, for our third person blueprint. So for that we need to go to our content input, we go to the EMC default, and then right here we look for EI, we look for mapping, of course, default key mapping, and then we go to EI move, and then right here we can change the inputs. Let's change, for example, the W for Z and the A for with the letter Q. So now after we finalize that, when you run start, everything is looking fine. You can move with the AZERTY shortcuts, and the same of course for the editor. Thank you.